pa. I catch us a Ghana man, you know. Ye di Ghana man, so I'm say feel. Ye di Ghana man, you know. I'm a Ghana man, so feel. Adom TV ni say ya bibia ya jeri ni ase ya mo akwaba e mra so ya dia go kan see na ebrew live e bedwamo e samne to so de se fata seltini aboabo no ade package wona nkasa ni Erica Siedu Boade Bernard Paribo Sergio Manocho me producers na ayaba sa no e be shase the UEFA Champions League and Real Madrid name Manchester City are qualified for the next round of the competition. Real Madrid ball 1-1 the first leg of winning 1-0 to 2-1 on aggregate will qualify at the core and Man City and so a ball Copenhagen it's a funny and call the quarter final of the Champions League. Europa League because so you're interested in officials we see here Sporting Lisbon Atlanta Manramo ball 1-1 and Sparta Prague and Liverpool and the Bebwani Neni actually qualify as the first leg results no call Akuri or second leg in Musen Roma and Brighton over Biom Karabakh Gagban Leverkusen Olympic Marseille Villarreal Benfica and Rangers Freiburg and in West Ham United Milan and Slavia Prague and Ade Ebeboni a round of 16 Europa League in Conference League games and so back to cash and so sa FA and Mami gamepackgames.com am dey see akonkon here in some na pro game pack rofo diska go mbotom and so bit me diska pick 1 and pick 4 game am dey aba Ghana fo nyina agiatom one thing was some day I catch the gamepackgames.com and rather than China okopie mo wo Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules and me man aduro and che na osmosis or sound department or ware Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules adina kagire mo anya samketo antafo and nam kwan so e ba anya samketo across nka tasankra na wo pe but adwuma a ba onkofie ntem grant na man ye ntai Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules and na man e bodwuma sa ne ade a mmako ne de sia konkon ye de ba yenko anim na yen resa ne nsam no so isi tie the All African Games ya share games ne bi ase indoor games ne de bidium ho agigi mu ane ade a boxing ne bi ho ayebo sanso na okopie mo table tennis I think na Ghana twefa ne bo ane ade a enche na opening ceremony baso den de anya samketo a ochena and yes opening ceremony ne be baso na asante hene yes so 2-4 say to abio atosomienu ehwe ni mo se Ghana athletes e begina mo African Games ne beti o man anim
said when they bring in said the Badwam Ghana can be near Ubisa. So then I
say Sabi Momonimre and they would depart. Sabi the name the school Simona Badwam Ghana my was a dependent. A date not either to Momonimre said to work on another yes I dependent be a fancy and
yes I remember to make a come.
Se dan bi siyasa mu nyinara ye mutu bi ka kama a na sebe eni je wo mu
Modiana Ghana se de o me yanya medals ne bi ne yanyi ngoni
se bi o nimre Ghana man san mo nyina ati akochiri ache se bo man Ghana man yenya medals no gold no enya bi na sebe eni ngoni di man Ghana man
ane tigana dia na obi biane na de yetwa fe so
tigana ne tigana Ghana man jin e wo games bi ya mu a na man fo dwane e de benti e na yetwa fe so
onye mo na e sise
bo so ka mu nyina mo se mo na na ndi di akiri mo nye mo ho na mo sise de yi mai na Ghana man nye nkomdi
wow, I tell no ne de opem so ade atodwa futu shonko a ode ama let's ejina Ghana na mo na info ne kopie mo football na All Africa Games wa and you go so na Black Satellites and is your man na mo e ball bo me man from a man from so no the princesses ye hwene mo so metimi ate animu a anya samketo akra na okokopie mo na Black Satellites na 24 no more assistant coach Fatao Salifu on nsamo todwa se training na wo mo eye no kopie mo a Chemota School Park ye big count on ade aro jidi say e be do watch your first game no na Ghana are ready.
The technical team we have at this moment with our head coach Desmond Offer, I think that he has actually brought a lot into this team, and of course we supporting and making sure that everything he has brought on board will reflect in our games, and I must say that we are actually putting a lot in these boys, and it's all coming from the head coach Desmond. did so much in our preparation periods, and I must say that Ghana is ready, and I'm very confident that we're going to represent the country so well. Looking at football now, I think that names don't play again. If you look at what happened in the African Cup, you of course know that every country that is here is of course ready for the competition. So I don't want to say we're looking at one particular country, but we're ready for all the countries. Of course, every Ghanaian would say Nigeria is a tough opponent to Ghana, but I would say that every country that is in this competition, we are ready for them.
We are watching. Pep, we are watching. Play.
And under 20, of course, is the heart of Ghana football, and of course we are looking forward to get the best that will represent the Ghana national team at the highest level, of course.
Right, Meno ne the under 20 team, Black Satellites, more assistant coach for Tao, or the year 2 training was Badwam first game of Channel and ABC Aqua, or the Accra Sports Stadium, Tika Shannon and so FM. Now in Fiona, young questions and for the Ghanaian Premier League and Accra to Fukakachi and Yakopini, I heard the Ecoso and Menoka say, I'm home games and South Africa games because Accra Sports Stadium. There's some of your copy before and Yakoso I have something which is there to be after the 14th or no Bobo no majority shareholder and can say any Diana Saudi. Some to get I said the Equasoro a hard pa na kanye Yakobo ha by this time has to full cut off for the
big shame. Again, that's negative for our game. You know, it shows again the paucity of football infrastructure in this country. You know, that certainly 4 teams that were using Accra Sports Stadium have to go and look for alternatives. Again, it shows like, how much we fail to plan ahead. You know, and that is why, again, the more reason why I'm proud of what us is doing. After we've done all that we are doing currently, the only thing I'll be lacking is a stadium. Indeed, I'm very, very disappointed that Accra Stadium was not available to us throughout December. It's not going to be available to us for another 1 month or so. It's unfortunate that we should be suffering this kind of deprivation every year. Last year, you know, last Christmas, before the recent one, we were denied because they had to close the stadium for concerts. And the same happened at the recent Christmas as well. Nobody says that you must use the stadium for only football. Yes, Wembley can be used for boxing tournaments. Wembley can be used for concerts. But nobody will close down Wembley to sports for an extended period to allow for these other peripheral uses. On the contrary, they will time those uses so that, you know, they can still go with the football calendar. You know, but here it's like our thinking has become so warped, unfortunately. So it's sad that we have lost the use of the stadium during December, and we are going to continue to not use it again, which is unfortunate. Look at the league table and see those who are leading. Check out their home performance. You know, I mean, let's be real as a people. Let's be real. Let's be more analytical, and then you see that it's not the case that House of Folk or Toko are doing that badly. But you see, there is something in the game that is worrying. It's really sad, particularly in a country where people exploit home advantage to the fullest, where they want to win at home by fair or foul means. Then you don't even have the use of the home at all. I mean, that is very bad. Of course, we have never been known to intimidate at home. I mean, who can intimidate Accra Sports Stadium, where the pitch is so far from the spectators? Unlike other places where the distance between the linesman and the spectators can be as short as 2 meters.
Right, I know some of the affair de chuja ojiri se kwan bia so se ne masesa ani se na no kra o kasa to aso kore ni mchemu se enche ohene was stadium bidia ma crowd of folk eberesa na besia koye Kingdom Jensen Park Capsules and Kingdom About Center they can when some na dear bro Jensen Park Capsules the any jai mema dro no tremendous capsules aye mana dro sanso na okopimo ewo home estate na Kingdom for the aba opeba bi na odi uti ato a edan bia opato bi o metima yama e feeling keto mu kona kase mu Kingdom home estate na so ni omudi ensa so that's so na gamepackgames.com can one pay and some by Game Pack Games, pick 1 and then pick 4. Game on the bank for this guy go bottom to ya me catch on and pay gamepackgames.com. I'm okay wanna and then some no at the ebrewo and the me chen kwame nkroma kora ni na ne se Ghana master ne yedina ahohare so ahoden so ya jegere ni ase nya easy etiene fa Kwame Nkrumah ka ho na enebo no nkro a ye bepa African Games coverage e wa Adom TV the multimedia platforms so 20 koso a na hwebedwom ye pound to match reta anya sam keto akra sina American kan for Kwame Nkrumah ka kejwa ne ho Eric Garcia du boadi ni koso na hwebedwom